This is a short video to show how simple and quick the legacy vent is to install. Note that all cuts are a simple 90-degree cut and no need for miter cuts to accommodate a thinner vent, which also eliminates the need for extra sanding and priming. Approaching the vent opening, keep your board 3/4 of an inch from the opening. Now you are ready to place and attach the vent. You can also use silicone or other adhesives. Now you are ready to place your next baseboard. The legacy vent is primed and ready to paint for your convenience.